Hi, I'm Nastia from SendPulse. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of the SendPulse website builder. We'll cover the types of websites and templates, the available options, and how to select the best one for you. Additionally, we'll go over website settings and integrations, including pop-ups, push notifications, email campaigns, and the CRM system. You'll also see how to check analytics and statistics to track your website performance. To get started, go to the welcome page of your SendPulse account. Here you can explore all the available tools and select the one you need. Let's go to the Websites section. This is your website builder homepage. Here you can view all websites you've already created or build a new one. You can create either a multi-page website or a bio link page based on your needs. If you're launching a single-page website to promote a specific product and you've got one clear call to action, we recommend going with a bio link page. However, if you're building a full-scale brand and your product requires multiple pages, opt for a multi-page website. Let's explore our website builder features. Click Create Website to view available templates and browse them by category, including events, business, e-commerce, blog, contacts, application form, courses, and LMS platforms. Select the one that best fits your goals. You can pick one of these ready-made templates or build your website from scratch. A website structure includes three main elements: a block, a section, and a column. Sections allow you to place a row of columns horizontally, and you can use columns to place a row of widgets vertically. A section can include up to 6 columns and an unlimited number of blocks. Let's add a block. You can insert an empty block and add widgets to it, or use one of the ready-made layouts available in our website builder. You'll find pre-designed headers, first screen options, about us blocks, text blocks, product and service layouts, advantages, company timelines, pricing blocks, FAQs, subscription forms, contact information, and website footers. You can also add widgets, including the button, image, gallery, divider, spacer, text, video, subscription form, payment, chatbot, social media, and menu. The menu widget helps set up site navigation. You can also add a map to display your physical location. There's a widget for FAQs, a countdown timer widget to display time left until a specific event, and you can add a login widget if you're building a course website. You can also insert custom code or add the reviews widget, which is a good option for course websites. Besides, if you're creating an e-commerce website, you can use the product widget to showcase your products. Let's see how to set up the timer widget. You can set either fixed date and time, a hard deadline, dynamic date and time, a countdown that starts as soon as a visitor lands on your page. If you want the countdown to loop, select the restart the timer when finished checkbox. Then type in a message that visitors will see when time runs out. Now customize your widget. You can set the date in days, hours, minutes, or seconds. Select your widget layout and choose colors. Additionally, you can customize how your timer appears on desktop and mobile devices and adjust its position on your website. Next up is the FAQ widget. You can edit its header, rewrite questions and answers, change their order, or click Add to add more. Additionally, you can configure its placement and appearance on both desktop and mobile screens. Now, let's look at how to add a subscription form to your website, allowing you to collect visitor emails and keep your customers engaged in your conversations. To set up this widget, select where to save contacts. You can create deals and contacts in your CRM system. Enter a deal name and select a pipeline where you want to add your new contacts. Additionally, you can save contacts to your mailing list to send them campaigns later. Enable the option and select a mailing list where your new contacts will be stored. You can add new form fields or customize existing ones. The email field is created by default. If you want to pull in extra client data, choose a mailing list or CRM contact and deal variable where you want to store the field value. Customize your form button. Click a pencil icon to access its settings. Here, you can edit its text, tweak font, size, and width. Once you're finished, click Save and go back to setting up your widget. You can adjust your form appearance on desktop and mobile devices, or turn off style synchronization to customize each version separately. Additionally, you can alter your form's position on your website. Let's look at other widgets. You can add a payment button to implement one-click payments for your products. Type in your order form name, select your product, either a new item or an existing course from the Courses section. Let's go with a new product. Specify your product name, which will be displayed on the payment system page and the receipt. Now, select a payment system to receive payments. Define your deal name that will appear in CRM once payment is made, and optionally enable adding client emails to your mailing list. Then, in the View section, select how to display the product. Next, add the fields buyers need to fill in to allow you to collect your customer data. These can be emails, names, phone numbers, or custom CRM variables. Then you can proceed to customize your form layout as usual. To streamline your website navigation, use the menu widget. You can link it to any page on your website or to specific blocks on the current page. Every block carries an ID at the bottom of its settings page, which allows you to link it to your menu. To do this, add a new menu item, go to its settings, name it, and choose its type. The link option allows you to connect this item to any page on your website. However, if you want to lead users to a specific block on your website, select the anchor type and paste your block ID. After you publish this and other pages, your menu will be activated, allowing you to test your website navigation in action. You can also preview your website before launching it. You can switch between desktop and mobile views at any time. While setting up your blocks, you can toggle between the two layouts and, if needed, turn off Style Sync to fine-tune each view individually. Your changes are saved automatically, but visitors won't see them until you publish your website. Let's now explore the available website settings. In the Site Settings General tab, you can rename your website, change its subdomain, or connect a custom domain. Also, you can select your website main page, set a custom 404 page, choose your site language, and upload a favicon. On top of that, you can select whether to index your site in search engines. Here you can also enable web push notifications and remove the SendPulse logo from your website footer. In the Analytics tab, you can connect Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or Facebook Meta Tag. You can also use custom code to embed any extra features you want to implement. In your site settings, you can also go to the Online Store tab and connect your online store to your website. This will activate the product widget, allowing you to showcase your products and receive orders. You can then select your store currency and add delivery details. Besides, an editable cart page will be created automatically. Finally, the Actions button allows you to publish all pages with a single click or delete your entire website if you need a fresh start. Now, let's cover the integrations available to you. We'll start from your website statistics. To view statistics, select your website and go to the Statistics tab. Here, you can view data for the last week, month, quarter, year, or all time, or select custom dates. Additionally, you can view the number of sessions, subscriptions, and payments. Next, you can explore your website data in more detail. You can view the total number of sessions and visitors, as well as the devices they used. This data is also displayed in a graph format. With a paid plan, you also gain access to in-depth statistics, including data on visited pages, their links, and the number of sessions and visitors. You can also view your visitors' countries from the selected period. For instance, now we have one visitor from Ukraine. You can export your statistics in PDF or Excel format if you want to. To accept payments through SendPulse, first connect a payment system. Go to your account settings, select Accept Payments, and the builder will direct you to the payment page, where you can choose payment systems that suit your needs. The payment page lists all available systems and allows you to view statistics on recent transactions. You can also add web push notifications to your SendPulse-powered website. A web push notification is a short message that reaches a visitor's desktop or mobile device, informing them about your recent news, discounts, or updates. It's available with a paid pricing plan, as well as during the 7-day free trial. To activate web push notifications, publish your website, go to the push section, and add your website. To do this, select its protocol, enter its link, and customize your subscription request conditions. Click Next Step, copy the generated code, and add it to your website. To do this, go to the Custom Code tab in your website settings. Click Add Code to Site, select a widget, and paste your code. Once a visitor allows push notifications on your website, they are added to your recipients list and you can start sending campaigns. The push service collects basic data, including browser, location, IP, and subscription dates. If you don't see your push notifications during testing, check notification permissions in your browser's privacy and security settings. It is also a good idea to add pop-ups to your website. A pop-up is a window that appears on a page based on a predefined scenario. To add a pop-up in SendPulse, you first need to create a project, your workspace for pop-up settings. You can build your pop-up from scratch or start with a pre-made template. You can add various elements to your pop-up, including cover, entry field, messaging app, text, drop-down, button, image, radio, buttons, checkbox, multi-select, NPS survey, pop-up flow, courses, comment, timer, gallery, element management, additional elements, video, and launcher. Then customize your pop-up design, set its type and style, and add entrance and exit animation. You can also add multiple language versions, then set up its display conditions. In the Data Saving tab, you can select where to save subscriber data. Specifically, you can store it in your mailing list or your CRM system. Here, you can also enable email notifications about new subscribers. Finally, name your pop-up and don't forget to preview it before launching. Finally, publish it and link it to your website. You can even send yourself a test pop-up to see it in action. Once you publish your pop-up, it will appear on your website. If it doesn't, ensure that you've published your project, linked it to your website, and set your pop-up display conditions properly. Then, refresh your page. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact our support team. If you need assistance with any other questions, please feel free to contact our support team at any time, as we're available 24/7. In your SendPulse account, you can find a live chat button. Click it to start a chat with our support team, type in your message, and we will assist you right away. Or you can also explore our self-help resources to find answers on your own.